each other. You can undo it.
Why would I want to?
You will not do to this earth what you did to mine.
Show them what a real God can do.
Elseworlds, the 3-night crossover event starts Sunday, December 9th on the CW.
Okay, guys. There's a tease that the Elseworlds, Barry and Oliver power switch tease just popped up, and it's about them switching powers, and that's all I can really say about the tease. But we will be getting a perspective on how they switch the powers and things like that. And otherwise, guys, enjoy it. About this Elseworlds trailer is very different. Is vastly different. It's strikingly similar, but with its perspective and angles of the trailer, it's vastly different. So they're reviewing a photoshopped picture here, and it's with Oliver and Iris. And Oliver and Diggle are at Dr. Destiny's office in Arkham Asylum, I think, to discuss, or at least to negotiate, the rewriting of the reality back to the way it was, and Dr. Destiny seems to be enjoying the chaos that goes on. And it's sad to think that Batwoman the Gotham City might only be existing at Elseworlds. I hope this may be like on another Earth, or at least on Earth 1, but just, a more grittier Earth 1. You know what I mean? It seems more comic accurate. And, the same speech comes up from John Wesley Shipp's 90s Flash saying, "You will not do to this Earth what you did to mine," but it's with a different angle. You actually see the words come out of his mouth and stuff like that. These are in different angles of the trailer and stuff like that. I am just so hyped up. This is going to be a short video because I'm currently working on a thing where at the Fan Fest today, there were a lot, and I mean lots and lots of information being leaked. Not leaked, my fault, hinted. There are a lot of information being given to the fans and stuff like that at the Fan Fest, even though I barely have the money to go there. But that's besides the point. Like I said, they gave us a lot of information about the crossover and about the 100th episode and about a potential love interest for a potential character, if you know what I mean. It's quite the stretch what I'm telling you, but it's actually freaking true. So, yeah, I really love the power tease. I really loved it, and I thought that it was worth the fun and everything else of the sort. And the really funny thing about it all is that since reality is now rewritten, now it's being rewritten. If you get what I mean, it's complicated. First he rewrites it once, then he rewrites it twice, and then that's how the black suited Superman comes over. So and it's funny because I'm just continuously making photo edits of the screenshots that I take. So yeah, of the trailers, and it's really, really funny. But yeah, guys. Otherwise, I said this is going to be a short video, and it's on purpose because I am trying to discuss lots and lots of information given to us from Stephen Amell and other actors from Arrow and stuff like that, and even from The Flash, and we haven't really heard any information from Melissa Benoist yet about the crossover or on her end, but we've only heard about the Arrow and Flash ends, or at least what their characters have to do with it. So I haven't even heard Grant Gustin's words on that yet, but otherwise, I gotta go. See you guys later. Goodbye.
You are as despicable as they come.
Dick, what are you doing here? I'm kicking your butt. Come on, man, get up.
Pancakes are perfect this time.
You are dangerous, and you are clearly crazy.
We're sisters.
I'm the Green Arrow.